It's easier than it has ever been to teach something you know and get paid for it. But that doesn't mean that there aren't hurdles to overcome throughout the process. Thankfully, the tool of sketchnoting can help you overcome those hurdles. Let me explain how. Here's something that I've noticed about the people who become interested in sketchnoting. In addition to an interest in visual thinking, most already have skills and experience in some other field, a field that they're passionate about. And while sketchnoting is a tool to help any professional do good work within their field, it's also a tool that can be used to create transformational experiences in which you take all of the lessons that you've learned and you share them with others. The resource that I'm going to describe in this video is an opportunity for you to do just that. To use your sketchnoting skills to develop and deliver an online course about something that you care about. Here's how sketchnoting will help you throughout that process. It's a tool that can help you throughout the development of the course, from research to planning to creating some buzz about your course if you choose to show your work along the way. Sketchnoting will also help you deliver your course material, whether that's in the form of videos like this one or as static images alongside text. Giving the folks who take your course visual cues like these will help them to understand, internalize, and put into practice the ideas you're sharing. Finally, with Sketchnotes, you can create engaging printable resources, worksheets, templates, and journals that your students can use as a reminder of what they learned and as an anchor to whatever action you're encouraging your students to take. Throughout this resource, I'll help you do all three of those things as I walk you through all of the steps of developing and delivering an online course. Here's why I'm so excited about this topic. My background is in education. I got a Master of Arts in teaching, and I've already developed and shipped 4 online courses. So I'll be pulling from that experience and sharing lessons that I've learned throughout this course. But on top of that, you'll also get to see me develop an entirely new course from scratch. A course called Learn a New Language with Sketchnotes. But it gets even better. You'll also get to follow the journey of 3 of my friends, each of whom is building their own online course using Sketchnotes as a primary tool for the development and delivery of course materials. The 4 of us are having recorded webinar conversations each week in which we share how the task of that week went and discuss any challenges that came up. And you'll get to watch those real, unfiltered conversations about our struggles, our excitement, and each of our unique approaches to building an online course. You'll get to learn from all of that to make your process of building an online course run more smoothly. By following along with the instruction that I provide, learning from the conversations that my friends and I have, and putting in the work yourself, you'll be able to start from scratch and complete an engaging and transformative online course. You have skills and experience and passion about a topic that other people could benefit from, if you choose to share it. Don't hold out on those people. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.